So what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. And yeah, as you might see, we're going to do a little unboxing of 3 packages I got this week. And yes, as you might see, Taiwan is a country. I even got this little stamp on it. Office of Origin. Here you go. Take that, YouTube. So yeah, I'm starting with this one because yeah, as you might know, ROC's Republic of China, Taiwan is going to be first on the list of being unpacked and unboxed. Got my pair of scissors. Got no water this time, but that won't be necessary at all. I'm just going to try to open it. So yeah, this is the first one. I think it's Mara, but I'm not sure. We'll find out. Now we're talking. And now we're going to see where I have to cut it now. It's cut away from me, so it went easier than I expected. That's what I like about these kinds of boxes, because not only easy to send out, but also easy to unpack. And here we are. There's some paper here. There's some more paper here. Hasta la vista, bye how. And little envelope, the bubble wrap plastic. Hope I can move it easily. I think we did. So yeah, what's in here? And yeah, I knew it. Mara by writer Dylan Goss and illustrator Rosie Hu. It's also available in a webcomic format on their own official website. So on as I said here, maracomic.com. Terrible display, I know. But yeah, so first chapter. This I'm going to move up the tripod. The first chapter of Mara follows the title character moments before she's suddenly caught in a bloody tribal war. Owing to allow the last of his tribe to die, a guardian wolf spirit descends upon Mara, taking her from a young girl in the small fishing village to an avatar of revenge. Follow our new alpha wolf as she takes the first step on her journey. Tries to manage the power of the ancestral spirit of the wolf she wasn't prepared to receive. So yeah, no overpowered being. She has to learn how to to manage how to develop and how to use the power of the wolf, like some other characters I know. So yeah, pretty excited. Looks better than I expected. Beautiful cover art, interesting art style. Yeah. See the tribal, clothing, etc., the necklace, and yeah, spirit of the wolf. I really love this one. Amazing job by the illustrator by Rosie Hu. So yeah, thank you for getting this to me on time. That's also important. There's a receipt I have to. Some gift card I need to. So yeah, next go put this box somewhere else. I might need it later on. Probably safe. But who knows? I even save this envelope as well. Could be useful. So yeah, this is the next one. I have no idea. This is a more an American style comic. Looking at it, it's a Gemini mailer, I think. We're going to find out. So I basically make a little cut here. Now I put this over it because I don't want to keep a low profile. Well, basically you already know my name. Kind of revealed it already. And yeah, I see this American Post Office. Just plastic things. We'll find out. This little card over here. And yeah, I expected Gemini mailer, comic supply, and whoa. Got a little problem over here, but yeah. Oh yes, I've been waiting for this one. Hi Mitlan and USA. Should I call you Akpoer? Last Between Worlds, Hour 1. I got this cover. I got this one. Yeah, look at that. He's getting some game. We all know he's getting some. You know, we all know he's getting some game over here. Yeah, that's more like it. I hope I can zoom in a little bit more. Yeah, just a little bit more. Could have done a little better with the brush, but no, it's not bad. That's Between Worlds Part 1, Hour 1. So yeah, can't wait to read this one. It's has a good yeah, has a good board on it. A few stickers. Last Between Worlds. Few stickers on it. Hour 1. There's another Hour 1. I don't know why I got 2, to be honest. It was a variant cover or 2 different kinds. 2 different kinds of covers. Yeah, I picked 2. I don't even remember, but yeah, I can wait to. I'm excited for this one. I want to see if Mitlan could get some game here. If the Grateful Dead are involved, yes or no. My boy is getting some, but my friend's getting some game, so that's a good thing. From the looks of it, it's like a tango in the night. With some blood and hearts to it. This is another one. I had some trouble with shipping this, but so I figure out how to open this. This one is from another guy I know. He's also the writer of 2100. I still wonder why they put so much this plastic tape over it. It's chrome. I don't know. I'm not a big fan of this kind of packaging, but yeah, I get it for protection, etc. It needs to be. So yeah, always mess this kind of things up. But yeah. There we go. Part 1. Remove this package and remove the information from the front. The barcode, etc. Once again, it's the United States Postal Office. Man, shipping is quite expensive. Might go for the digital one next. I don't know if this is a Gemini mailer or something else. I don't know, but it feels kind of unpractical. But yeah. Protection purposes, I get it. There's so much plastic in it. I don't know. So yeah, that's one part. Looks like a reused Gemini motor, but yeah, I'm wrong. Yeah, I've read the first issue of this one. I already know which one it is. I even get this one open. Ah, there we go. Holy smokes. I wonder there's a lot of plastic in it. Was it even necessary to put so much in it? I don't know. I appreciate the effort, but this is quite a lot of plastic. I wonder why. I wonder if this is even necessary, but God knows. Feels like there's a lot of things in it. We're almost getting at the package, and I know I'm terrible at it. Jeez. Yes. I'm not a big fan of this kind of packing at all. It's overly confusing. Well, yeah, I'm not so good at unboxing. It's also a bit cake. Ah, there you go. Jeez, that's a lot of plastic to unpack. I don't know if this was even necessary. No offense. I get that it's for protection, etc. But maybe next time, this is kind of a tip for the one who sent this to me. Less plastic might be a little better. So I get it for protection purposes, etc. It's necessary. For Gemini Maker, not always. So, I'm going to do this. The easier part. The easier part. Dun 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 dun. Da 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 dun dun. We're almost there. I've been waiting for this one. And here we are. That could be a little better, but so far, so good. Yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of the packaging, but yeah, the 2100 Samurai issue 2 from mature audiences only. Let's raise up a bit. Here you go. Also has arrived. So yeah, very excited. I read the first issue. It's off to a good start, but yeah, the cover art didn't have the best match with the interior. So I hope they improved it on this one. And yeah, that was 15 minutes from me trying to unpack from a complete from a random guy on the internet with a pair of scissors trying to unpack it. And no, don't worry, I'm not going to put the scissors through this one. Unless I really dislike it, but I'm sure that won't be the case. So yeah, that makes more than I expected. So yeah, first we got Mara, chapter 1, and I love that they went with A4. It looks like A4, I think. Might be wrong. This format, 3D, yeah. The matte paper really suits it. And yeah, we can take a look at the creators first. The writer is Dylan Gross. The illustrator is Mandarin translator Rosie Wu. She's pretty good. She's pretty good. Artist animator from Taiwan. Rio, professional advertising illustrator since 2012. The Spanish translator Manuel Gil Fernandez. And the guest back cover is Mercury. Another artist from Taiwan. So yeah, there's a reason why I chose to Taiwan to be the first one on the list. I still want to visit it. Maybe I combined with the journey to Japan. And yeah, of course, Lost Between Worlds, our one. Mitlan and his wife. From the looks of it. And yeah, I can't wait to see this one. Oh, maybe it's the dress that keeps the breasts together. Maybe it could have been better if there was more more curve here. Show a little more round the shape instead of this. That's the only complaint about the cover art. For the rest is pretty good. I'm not complaining. But yeah, it could be more detail here. A little bit. But maybe because it's pressed together. We all know that. We all like that. Just like this. Yeah, this is me doing. But yeah, that's one. That's two. And that's three. Another variant cover, I think. And a few stickers. And this was another wonder why I still wonder why the plastic got so rough from it, etc. But yeah, we'll find out. Maybe it was the packaging, I don't know. But yeah, those are the 3 or 4 indie comics that I backed from Kickstarter and from Indiegogo. And one from Indiegogo. So yeah, that was the 17 minutes of a random guy on the internet trying to pack things with a pair of scissors. And yeah, can't wait to read these ones. And I'll see you guys on the next one. And yeah, don't forget to read Jaguar Warrior on the jaguarwarrior.com on Globalcomix and get yourself a print ready PDF. I'll put the links down in the description. See you guys in the next one. And yeah, special thanks to the people behind Mara and Lost Between Worlds, almost. And yeah, of course Nick Gibson and Al Kuroga. I need to learn how to read this. For sending me these books and go through all the trouble. But yeah, that's it for today. I will be preparing it. Tonight I'm going to take a little bit of a break from writing, etc. Because I finished editing chapter 2 yesterday in an almost 2-hour stream. I'm going to need some rest. I'm going to play some Bayonetta. And yeah. Maybe do a little bit of, add a little note to one of my scripts. But I think I'll take a little break tonight. And yeah, take some time to prepare my video about the upcoming Wakanda Forever movie. This will be a kind of follow-up to my problem with art gatekeepers on Twat. So yeah, stay tuned for that one. So that's it. That's all. Hasta la próxima, chicas. Sayonara. Bye ho. See you in the next one. Peace.